sub $400 PC build that actually performs, I got you. And keep in mind, there are so many ways you could configure this. I'm going to be going with the Ryzen 5 3600. Get it with the fan if you can. These are $65. For the motherboard, go with a B550 or a B450. You can usually get these from $50 to $70 off of eBay. Just get the cheapest DDR4 16 gigabytes at 3200 megahertz that you possibly can. This Silicon Power UD90 is the cheapest Gen 4 SSD. There are so many options for the graphics card. For this specific build, I'm going to be going with the GTX 1070 Ti. Go with any high 10 series or RTX 20 series. These are all great options. Just get any case around $50 that looks good to you. The MAG B550 is a C-tier power supply. This is the full list, and this is the ending price at $376.43. Bye.